Hi friends, welcome back to the Martin Museum. I'm Kelly Martin, independent Scentsy consultant, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone a while, but I'm back and ready to start sharing the new products that are coming in. And we just got an awesome limited time offer that it was out for pre-order, and the pre-orders just came in. They haven't told us yet if they're going to allow us to have other sales besides the pre-orders. I'm hoping they do, because this is going to be an awesome collection, and I know that some of you did not order and are going to be sad. So I have a few, a few sets in this box, but I wanted to share one set of, and I've seen some pictures. One of the gifted ones that I sent out arrived, and I got pictures and an excited email about it when while I was out of town, and we just got back today. I had told my husband we had to stop, pick this up from where I get my packages delivered so that we can check it out. So this is Hogwarts, the Harry Potter warmer. So let me share with you the details on this warmer. Let me pull this open real quick. Plug it in. Now it comes with the 25-watt bulb. Excellent. And get that screwed in here. And then do not use this dish for food. We'll take that sticker out. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Okay. So I love the absolute details in here. Here's your Hogwarts letter on the bottom of your wax dish. And then here is, oh, this is so awesome. The detail is amazing. You see the school and the crest, the school crest. And you see Hedwig here. All of the details that come in this. This looks just like, we just went to Universal in Florida and went to the Harry Potter world, and the detail is very much like the castle that's there. And then lit up, you get all of the stars up here in the sky, the windows in the castle. I'm in love with this warmer. It's going to go perfect with our Harry Potter display that we have. And then to go with, you can get a 4-pack of wax that has each of the schools or each of the houses in it, or you can order just, and I am sure that the wax is going to become available. They just have not given us a release date yet. These are, again, were a pre-order that was available, and we've been waiting for these for a while. So to start, Gryffindor with bravery and determination, lemon zest, cinnamon leaf, amber and smoky woods. We have Hufflepuff. Okay, so that what I just described was the Gryffindor wax, which, ooh, it's got that woodsy smell, but, and it kind of smells like it's got cinnamon stick, not just cinnamon. That's, let's see, Hufflepuff next. Hufflepuff is the yellow one. So Hufflepuff is just and loyal, warm cinnamon sugar, golden apple, white hazelnut, and whipped vanilla almond. That is what is in the Hufflepuff scent. Which, Okay, I can smell all of those scents in here. So Hufflepuff for those that are just and loyal. And then we have Slytherin for the cunning and ambitious. This is green wax for the Slytherin is deep blackberry, dark chocolate, fresh, sorry, I don't have my glasses on. I'm having a hard time reading this. Fresh oak moss and crisp leather. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. This one is great. So again, that was blackberry, dark chocolate, fresh oak moss, and crisp leather. So Slytherin, cunning and ambitious. And then the last one in the collection is the Ravenclaw, wit and wisdom. Wit and wisdom has smooth vanilla, airy white musk, incense, spiked sandalwood, and mahogany woods. This is going to be another woodsy. Definitely a woodsy scent. I think of the scents, all very distinct. I think that the Slytherin scent is my favorite, and then followed up maybe by the Gryffindor. So anyways, the 4 scents and these awesome warmers. So they just started pre-orders on the 1st, and so we have not heard that they're going to make these available. Usually if they have enough available after the pre-orders, I'm assuming that, so the first shipment would have gone to the pre-orders, and then if there's still shipping delays, it may be a few months. But I will let you know as soon as I hear something saying that these will become available for general purchase if you did not. So if you are interested in getting your own Hogwarts letter, let me know, and I will make sure to let you know when these become available. Thank you for watching, and if you want to shop online at my website, it is kellymartin.scentsy.us. That's KELLYMARTIN.SCENTSY.us. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me there, and thank you for watching.